Khubor Pibaro Shakatup Khubor Juni Gadon Bosco Media Network. Kimat Bakong San Menta Kesengi Kilong. Yero Umintri Rangba Ukonrat Ki Sangma Yekidor Barshnong Nakabenta Kajing Kun Persha Yuknyang Jingpang COVID-19. Kam ke NPP National People's Youth Fund ba Endon Bon Ki Samla Bani Kunya ke election MLA Arjar Arpulai. Kadi Gajing Tribha ka Sarkar MDA ka Bakringi ki MLA Congress Bani Snok Tilang. But ngim kuatam ya kahok kabadai kajangi ong kakasi Disability Association. But mentangin pa shigi khubor bakam banya. Umintri rangba ukonrat ke sangma mentakasngi ulay roy kajing teray borba jeng gidor barshnong banya kunyuk nyang jingpang COVID-19. Umintri rangba ulakren yakini hagidukot jeng gidor barshnong maukar ha maukar Shillong ha kabayade bat kajing pen itanat yakishnong kithaw ha Shillong jawai bat dura. Ukonrat ke sangma ulay thu ru baka sarkar jilla kalapha jingtho biang shaka sarkar India ban bu ru eka kintin dor barshnong ha kabayade baka jingwan ra jingkala yaka 6th schedule jangkariti sinchar jangkari India.
This entire fight has been successful in a certain way. I wouldn't say successful, but we managed to come through is because of the hard work put in by all of you. So on behalf of the government, I do take this opportunity to thank you all for all the help and support you gave us and the people of Shillong city and the state in general. I also have sensed that very strongly. So really this was, I think, for the first time that there was a step taken to involve and to collaborate, and I'm so happy that it has been in a way a success and a kind of a very positive step forward. And definitely would like to continue this because this is a really great way of connecting, engaging with each other and building up the teamwork and trust that we will always require to fight any kind of situation that we may have in the future. So once again, I don't want to say much, but thank you so much for everything, and I assure you, in terms of the legislation which you're mentioning about how to take this forward, there is a move in the central government in terms of recognizing the village Darbar. There is an amendment in the constitution, and we as a state government have specifically written that the word village Darbar / village council, which means that we want the village Darbar word to be there in the constitutional amendment. So therefore we have proposed that word village Darbar in the amendment. We hope that Government of India will take it up in the 6th schedule, which means that once that goes through, if it does, we are waiting for the final draft from central government. If it goes through, then that would be a very, very strong and very solid step forward.
Hinne Kesengi habakren chikila pathai Khubor usembut Menteri Rangba Ka Jylla uba Preston Tinsong ulay thu bakajingwani snok tilang jangkisan ngut ki MLA ka Congress bat ka MDA government kalong khamtam ka jingla ban penbet ki artli ki issue balaslem baki we ki sarkar ki klem la ban pen urlong kita kilong ka jinge penbet ki kinram ka yeu them metor bat ka jinge penbet yeu pot usam bat ka Assam.
Let me just tell you one thing. Recently, I think you must have seen the MDA government has taken up few sensitive and important issues. Number one is like Yo Maulong, that Yo Maulong, Themator. And number two is boundary issue. So these two long pending issues, I think you must have seen it, because some people, the public themselves, they used to say that this is only a game made by the government. I think not only the public, even elected representatives like MLAs or MDCs, initially they thought that way. But when they see in course of time that MDA government is seriously taken this issue up, then these 5 Congress MLAs, they were impressed, and ultimately they give us unconditional support.
Kum shibenta ban rakhi kajingdap sanpho snem kajilla but kum kajing itho ikishnong ki balapin itanat ikisaudong saukun umintri rangba kajilla ukonrat ke sangma rengkat bat umintri kitanat penroi sor uba snyaw bhalang dakhar but ru kadisi jangka East Khas Hills ka kong Isawanda lalu hakasngi thoding jangka tayo ka khat pratarek urempang arjar arpuar kilalet banjungo ya bontli kishnong ki badon hakanong ba Hakatai ke jing net jungo o menteri rangba bat ka kenhun kilala ban net jungo ya bon ki shnong bat ki kentot shnong ki bakentup na duk ke jayau Lansona Lane, Sunny Hills, Maukhar bat Mauprem Demil. Shushu menteri rangba ula pentip ru bak sarkar kan saai khusna mi ki tu ki shnong ki balapen itanat bha bat kumju ru ye ki nong draw.
Thing for our city, and therefore I take this opportunity to thank each and every Darbar and all the Rangba Shillongs and the leaders who have really participated and made this program a success. And we want to assure everybody that we will continue to have this program in the future also, and find ways and means on how the localities, the community and the government can work together for the betterment of society and our towns, our cities and the state.
KNPP National People's Youth Front menta kasengi kalakam ba endon bon ngut kisamla ki banya kunye ke election MLA arajar arkulai. Habukreni kilat pathai Khubor u President jongani keseng u ba kitbor lang nongrem ule thu bakani keseng samla jong ke NPP kalas dang ban pen klanye ke NPP habaro ke district jongga jella ban long ki bala pen kre bani aireng yakate ke election.
I menta ba ki samla ki balong ki MDC ki MLA haka parti NPP ki bon ki badang kham samla bha ka kerta ti wat unong yalam jongi ru sar Konrad sar James su kidang dei ki badang kham samla haka kerta bat haka bor jumut super kharu tingi don ki jingkermen bala ki samla ki le ban enroll ban wan rong ka parti ngej kham mangin sanang yo su ki samla ki ban sakit ya kelengkor ban ba ya kelengkor jong kane ka cela ka jungi leng ba ka nega politics la ne bakin long kum ki nong mi khmat la ki de MDC la ne MLA ngangit babaro ki pajba jong ka jela ngi yasakhi ya kane badang hakani ka session ka badang suggestion ka badang suggestion hapo Lok Sabha bad Rajya Sabha ngi i baro ba u president jong ka parti jungi badairu MP jong ka Rajya Sabha ulak kren bahaya kane ka ban include ya ketin kasih haka HDL jong ka constitution jong hari India Dr. W.R. Khaluki badai MP jong ka Rajya Sabha bat phidapej halok sabha ru PUE ya ka madam aga tha ka badai ka MP na po ka tura ila kren bha ya kane bat ila banjur bakumno ban yo ya ka ban penrungno ya ka ketin kasih haka kernit ka bapra jong ka constitution jong hari India.
Menta kesni ke khat praterik rimpang arjar arpuar ke Khasi Disability Association kalapelong ye ke signature campaign ha kendailat ban pensngau syaka sarkar bat syaki pat nong shnong ke jella ha ka bedai bat ki surok ki singkin ke lintiyat kejan ki jaka penyeng ye ki wheelchair ha ba kilet don kam syaki office sarkar bat syaki yo syahad. Hakani ke signature campaign lawan ye senran lang de ki kemi ki kpa jeng ki badon jingduna ha ki dekot met. Habakren ya kini kejing yalang uway ni ki badon jingduna ke dekotmen ulapen pau ya kejing benyau badon ki nong mi kmat ki bangkwa satya ban yerap ni perkhat lang ye ki ulaben rap ru ban na kaliang jengki kim kwa pisa Henry ki don kam ye ke aka ke babhatam
ngam kata ngam soye wala piau yang abang along uka yom riang lani uka long root terpereng amal balai ki pelang root jangi hakajing sisya ngim dawa ya ke ba phimla kadai ke ba dam kata courtesy ka burang ba phimla phin ai ka ketin ka jingkermen to nyale lang to nyawat ka lang ti una ba dueng ke jingi ka pi ha phila wa ke jingi tongi la wa ke jingi piru ni supen kan tindam ba mali ai kala baklajur don ge amali tongi batin lawan mangi beri ban jinguna batin wat pan pista ele bitir ada yang pan pisaru nyimla ta mani sok arfi la phiman ban a tam na ai hade ki sabon ngi ngim kwa ban pan pisa ikwa de ke ba bhae ban le ki kam jam yo ikot sla wajudan tung kata ka jing suthu pa ni ki badan jiruna ikwa tangi pisa ngim sukwa phi tangi pisa ama ka pisa kan lam ngi sinuru ka perlang ngi ban sting jelong ka perlang ngi ban khan mentai te kan ayu yang ini siapa nak tas keptir so ngantik ya kan kam nak balak le bamla le tek sia pusangkat tengah labiang ni aku akan tangga jigetu maka jing amisip te kaman kawir ban wanya ke jing ya ban yo accessibility ke yang maro ke sarkar ke di masutubha ni bersai ke jing kam joka ban kaman ke baskam ban timlut ya ke jing duna ke jingla trong one way bong way long so Shillong ni ya ban superkat ang ya ke bobon bala
Kinong yalam jong ka nyaw terep Integrated Territorial Organization minta kasengi ka khat praterik urempang arjar arpuar kila ai da kajing tho sya menteri ketana transport jong sarkar jilla uba da sakhiat bha lamare ban panjing pensyai halor ki rules prapuar hadu prapsan a jong ka Central Motor Vehicles Rule khat khandai spa prap khandai Habekren bikilat pathai Khubor u Presiden Jong Kaseng uba don bok takhar ula pentip ba menteri ketana transport ula ai ke jingkular ba uns penbetnyo ikijing e jong kibriu ki bobo iki kali ki bejukit iki nonglet nongwan na kawe ke jela syakawe pat
Untuk jungi yo ada sekian bahan namre beli transport minister de halor kephang jong kini ki permit jong ki license man penteri kamno ngi hadian katuka jingkran juga kilat pathai Khubor uang bola syak yang ki license Nrei dang kini sisi arsingi lapai dekat jungi bajinir bapet ka action jongki kamde jongki action kiti jongki driver ki bapet kune nak dekat jungi itu lapai ki dalam post office nrei kato ke sistem kampat terekam te balingi wandawa bantan terekam yang ke live state bade hadu menta kani ka all india kalau post lo arab san hajar sanspat sistem te ngi ka bos tenat long bandela ikundu transport minister ulai assurance ulai ka commitment ba nadu kini kisi banwan ya kene ka live state kan rekam ya ini kentu ki pat ba kat ba kene ka online system kam phat rekam ni kentu ya phi ki ba kwa ban renew kini ki live state permit ne ki ban le thamai let be ki office ong yi ki ba ki de ban manually ong bai kata ka commitment ba de ba la aido transport minister bat la dekim le sepentip sengi ya ga sagasang yang ba ki email jong ka hinyo trap ITO arpo@gmail.com lane bilaban WhatsApp home number nyo not san real lai RBI not kenang ba kini ki pat ki badon kali kelaban yo ika benefit
In Benlong Yaka Pujyate Festival of Science Communication, Popularization and its extension, Badrakhiru Yaka National Science Day Arjar Arpuar, the State Council of Science, Technology and Environment Meghalaya, Ringkat Badka Vigvan Prasar, Kabadeka Autonomous Body, Jonga Department of Science and Technology, Jonga Sarkar India, Naduka Arpuar Tarik, Haduka Arpu Pratarik Minta Ubanai, Ha All Saints Hall, Ha IGP Point, Ha Shillong, Naduka Shpobajimin Step. Yakum kini kejuk ke program Inspelong Ru Hatura.
We are organizing this week-long celebration from the 22nd, which will culminate on the 28th of February, which is also a National Science Day. And as I've said, this is the program which is in association with the Vigyan Prasar, in partnership with them. Vigyan Prasar is the autonomous body of the Department of Science and Technology.
So actually this week-long program is intended to spread out knowledge in the best possible ways. And so for this purpose, there are various activities, and most of these activities actually, along with whatever activities and programs that has been laid out by Vigyan Prasar, conducted by them, we have other activities of our own as well, and most of these are interactive programs. And the various competitions that we have are like quiz, extempore speech, science, skit and drama, poetry competitions. We also have innovative ideas competitions. Innovative idea competitions is like this. The students come to this program. They don't just come out there. I mean, like just for the purpose of coming and finish the program. The thing is like this. Each and every students will get a chance to express which part of science make it more interesting to them.
We want to inculcate into the students or the candidates who will be there, participants, the idea of problem solving. Because as we know, the interest towards science and maths and also technology, it all basically stems from interest. And if the students do not have the interest, then they will not pursue the branch. As such, one of the major platforms that we can actually get the interest of the students is from this innovation idea.
But daki tuki Khubor ngilapoi shekabukut tat hadu pengindesham biang kuble shibot.